What's up guys, Steve here again with my beach brokers. I'm at the Imperial Park River and I'm just gonna show you guys around, and if you're ever in the Bonita Springs area, it's a cheap, decent little way to experience some nature, hang out, and check some stuff out. So how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks. Alright, well it appears that this bridge just kind of wraps itself around back into the parking lot. There's two areas with picnic tables. So that first boardwalk kind of just wrapped itself around through nature in the woods. Truth be told, this is the first time I'm going out on this boardwalk. So we're gonna explore this together. Fork in the road. Let's check out this one first. Cool. Looks like brings you out to a floating dock. Pretty peaceful out here. Probably do a little fishing. I guess boats can come and moor up to this place too. I hear music off in the distance. Let's go see what that's all about. The Imperial River, and wow, it's got this huge dock going down, and there's cleats on this floating dock, so you can definitely moor up to it and come out and enjoy the park back there at the picnic tables and benches. The Fiesta is coming from the other side. Not gonna swim over there. couple ladies fishing down here. That's about it. If you guys enjoyed this, go ahead and like, subscribe. Also, if you guys want to see anything else, any area attractions in South Florida or Florida in general, let us know. Comment below and maybe we'll go check it out and do a video for you. Thanks for the support and I appreciate you watching.